Are you tired of using your trusty needle and thread to sew together those fancy dresses or shirts? Are you ready to upgrade to something a little more high-tech and efficient? If so, it's time to consider investing in a sewing machine, the ultimate tool for all your fabric joining needs. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best sewing machines. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best sewing machines. Number 5. Singer M1500 Sewing Machine. The Singer M1500 mechanical sewing machine is a reliable and easy-to-use machine that is perfect for a wide range of sewing projects. Whether you're sewing fashions, piecing quilts, or creating crafts, the M1500 has you covered with its 57 stitch applications, including straight stitch, zigzag, blind hem stitch, multiple step zigzag, decorative scallop, and a 4-step buttonhole. Stitch selection is a breeze with the M1500 thanks to the displayed stitches on the stitch selector dial. Simply turn the dial to select your desired stitch and you're ready to go. Plus, with preset stitch length and width, you don't have to worry about guesswork. It's perfect for beginners. Buttonhole sewing is also made easy with the M1500 thanks to its 4-step process that is marked on the stitch selector dial. And with quick and easy threading guides marked directly on the machine, winding the bobbin and threading the upper thread is a breeze. The M1500 is built with a full metal frame for added stability and durability, and features a front-loading bobbin for convenience. Plus, its Stay Bright LED lighting provides bright illumination of the sewing area to help eliminate shadows. The pros are: it's budget-friendly, it's easy to use for beginners, it has an automatic needle threader, and built-in 4-step buttonhole. The cons are: some users claim it gets stuck. Number 4. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. If you need a reliable and tough sewing machine, the Brother ST371 HD is a great choice. Made of metal and featuring a versatile free arm option, this machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects. It's suitable for users of all skill levels, from beginner to advanced. One of the standout features of the Brother ST371 HD is its 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-sized buttonhole. This gives you a wide range of options for all your sewing needs. Plus, with an automatic needle threader and a convenient jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, sewing is made even easier. The Brother ST371 HD also comes with a range of accessories, including 6 sewing feet, an instructional DVD, and a manual, giving you everything you need to get started. But that's not all. This machine also comes with Brother at Your Side support, offering free technical support online, live chat, or phone for the life of your machine. The pros are: it is strong and durable. It can sew through multiple layers. Also, it features 37 built-in stitches and at your side support. However, the cons are: it has limited built-in embroidery designs, and it does not have an automatic thread cutter. Number 3. Janome HD 5000 Sewing Machine. If you need a heavy-duty sewing machine, the Janome HD 5000 Black Edition is worth considering. This machine is made of durable aluminum and has a sleek black finish, making it both functional and stylish. One of the standout features of the Janome HD 5000 is the 1-step buttonhole feature, which allows you to easily create professional-looking buttonholes in just 1 step. This feature is a major time saver and eliminates the need for manual adjustments. The Janome HD 5000 also has an extra high-pressure foot lift, allowing you to easily work with thick fabrics and layers. And with a horizontal full rotary hook, you can trust that your stitches will be smooth and even. This machine also comes with a bonus quilt kit, including a quilting foot, walking foot, and quilting guide, making it a great choice for those interested in quilting. The pros are, it has over 100 built-in stitches. The built-in needle threader makes it easy to thread the machine. It has a high-pressure foot lift for thicker layers of fabric. The horizontal full rotary hook ensures smooth sewing. The cons are, it's expensive. Like this one? Click the link in the description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 2. Brother XR 9550 Sewing Machine. The Brother XR 9550 is a feature-rich sewing machine that offers a wide range of features that cater to a variety of sewing needs. It has a large selection of built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, as well as a selection of fonts for personalizing projects. The XR 9550 is user-friendly, with a simple control panel and easy-to-follow instructions that make it suitable for beginners as well as advanced users. The Brother XR 9550 is built with a metal frame that provides stability and ensures long-lasting durability. The pros are, it is user-friendly, it's lightweight, it features an automatic needle threader, it has durable construction, an LCD screen to easily choose stitches. The cons are, no built-in embroidery features. Number 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing Machine. This computerized sewing and quilting machine comes with an accessory kit and extension table, giving you everything you need to get started on your creative projects. One of the standout features of the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is the automatic needle threader. Threading the machine is a breeze, and the built-in needle threader takes care of threading the eye of the needle for you, saving you time and eliminating eye strain. But the built-in machine's capabilities don't stop there. It also has a whopping 600 built-in stitches, including 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 built-in one-step buttonholes with an exclusive buttonhole underplate. Plus, with mirror imaging and stitch elongation options, you have even more creative possibilities at your fingertips. And if speed is what you're after, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 has a maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute, allowing you to complete projects in record time. But that's not all. The sewing machine also comes with a variety of presser feet, including an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot with underplate, button sewing foot, blind hem foot, satin stitch foot, open toe foot, overcasting foot, darning and embroidery foot, rolled hem foot, cording foot, straight stitch quilting foot, and even feed walking foot. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a top-of-the-line sewing and quilting machine that has everything you need to fulfill your creative dreams. Its wide range of stitches, automatic needle threader, and high sewing speed make it a top choice for sewers of all skill levels. Plus, with its durable construction and included accessory kit, it is a great value for the price. The pros are, it has a wide range of built-in stitches. Also, it has an automatic needle threader. It features high sewing speed and versatile presser feet. The cons are, it may be too advanced for beginners. Factors to consider when choosing a sewing machine. Number 1. Budget. Budget is an important consideration, as sewing machines can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. It is important to determine how much you are willing to spend and look for a machine that fits within that budget. Number 2. Level of expertise. Your level of expertise is another factor to consider. Beginner sewers may be better off with a basic mechanical sewing machine, while intermediate and advanced sewers may prefer a computerized machine with more advanced features. Number 3. Types of projects. The type of projects you plan to work on will also impact your choice of sewing machine. For example, if you are primarily interested in garment construction, you may want a machine with a wide range of stitch options and a powerful motor. If you are primarily interested in quilting, you may want a machine with a larger throat and special quilting features. Number 4. Available features. It is important to consider the available features of different sewing machines. Automatic threading, a built-in needle threader, and a wide range of stitch options can all make the sewing process easier and more efficient. We hope this video has helped you in selecting the best sewing machine. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there's a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.